Hey Dekoni fans.
Today, we're going to show you how to install your earpads for the faux cal Elears.
The stock pads are held in with a clip that has 5 pins. To remove the stock pads, simply pull them away from the headphone. Next, grab your new Dekoni audio earpads. Our pads include the same clip. Simply align the pins with the ear cup. And press around the edge of the pad to seat each clip. Then repeat the process once more for the other side. And you're now ready to enjoy the enhanced listening experience of your new Dekoni audio earpads.